Guys, the weather's going crazy right now.
Yeah, I know. Can't wait for thunderstorm. Always happens in May for some reason. It's weird. Yeah, I know. Oh no, look in here. Ooh, no. The coconut one. There it is. Oh, that's a coconut one. Right, and what are you going to do with that? So you can find out where that works. But this is the coconut one. Damn it! Look! Chill out. Get the clouds over that, look at this. The wind. Yikes. We should be fine, right? It's pretty warm out still. It's gonna rain soon anyway. Here's something. I said that. What? I don't hear anything. Go inside. Yo. Shut up, everybody. Oh my god, it's Larry the llama. Yep, I'm back. I remember it, guys. I'm scared. Look at the blue. Nah, leave it dry. I'm fine with this cat brother. It's grass. Oh, it's so good. I know you're laughing, okay? You made like Bojack. Yeah, I know the type of it. Give me the window, it's scary. Bro, help me, I'm stuck! Can't wait for this thunderstorm. The creeper. You scared? No, I don't think so. You even scared by anything? Ooh. I heard something. Scary. Hey. Right, to this book. The book. Go on then. Grip that. Ooh. Whoa. That's some tasty grass. You're going down the slide. No, I don't want to go down the slide. Womp womp. Why do that though? Cause use it womp womp. Yeah. I'm hungry. Can I have something? No. What? Please. Shut up. Eat some grass and smell it good. No! You're literally a donkey. Oh, he has a point. I don't want to eat this disgusting monster. I hate it. It's free food, this shit everywhere. Yeah. Eat it. No! Well, I'll stop. Where'd Creeper go? We'll find Creeper. Oh! No, hurry! Ooh. Scary. Oh guys, get out. I'm scared, I'm scared. No. I'm sad. heard it. It was loud. Okay. Oh. God. Crazy. Let's all go. Up here. Scary lightning. Look at it. I like watching this because we're in the UK, so we never see any of this. It's so rare. Yeah. Oh. That was scary. Oh, Mr. Crow, what's up? I couldn't get him in camera because I could see. There. What's up, guys? Ooh. Oh! Ooh, I'm getting along with it. So, shut up. Okay. Don't worry. This is amazing. Thank you. Yeah, it has been improving a little bit after you went to University of Cooking. Oh, guys. Bumbling. It's scary! What do you know? Scared. So. No. Whoa. What is this? We butt. Oh, it smells humid. I don't like it. It's that weird smell. What's it, grass? Guys. Hey, creeper. Creeper. Oh, it's big whippy. Wow, it's creeper. I think he passed out. No, not creeper. No. Oh my god, look at the clouds. It's getting windy. It's scary. No! Go on that stump. Ow! You missed. Creeper? Creeper. No! Need a chef now. Chef, give it right now. No, I can't take it. It's outside. House. Jump, please. No. Jump. No. Why are you going to lay there for a minute? Hey, let's talk actually. Let's sit here. It's a group. That's a how. So Sheffield, how have you been doing in university? I'm doing quite well. I've seen that I'm improving by day by day. I got my food exam soon, so hopefully And I'm going to stay there for another year. And hopefully don't go away with it. 5-star hotels. Oh, no. We can't afford it. We don't have much money, so we've got a medium amount of money. We can't afford it. Hate that. Scoot here too. Cut and easy, I don't like it. No. I have like several of these heads. Why you do that on this one? So we've got bike. Broken container. Who put my container? Oh, I did. Anyway, it's continuing. Whoa. Oh, it's so good. You're gonna leave now. Finally, it took forever. It's supposed to be going in there. Oh, it's like a bird, I think. I think it could be. The flight was okay. Both of you with me. Ow, they're coming here. Look, you. No. Oh, you flew. Quick. I'm back. Cooper. Cooper. No. You saw that, Cooper. Stop. I'm in the house. Stop in the houses. Apparently, Sheffield lost his out of the wall. Like the wind, it's good. Ugh, smells. Oh, wood up there. Damn. How much wood do you need? I know, right? Too much. But all you need is for fire and stuff, so just be a big fire soon. Show you. Sit down. Let's go. It's scary. The clouds coming over, guys. Let's wait for like another 10 minutes or 20 minutes or something. But we can do that. Also we got the crusty fridge with the stuff's leaking out of it. No! It's getting darker, I don't like it. Get off me! Get off me! Don't do that again. I'm not free in the river spin. Okay, chill. Chill. Come. You are annoying me. I'll throw you. Okay. Oh, look in there. Get out there right now. No. Ooh. Ow. That's what you get. Hey. Stupid spin. What's in here? Ties. Not much in there. Seeds. Little bird. Oh, I couldn't catch him. Sad. It's better to stay here because the weather's getting like, loud, but I think we should move back onto the grass. Let's go. No, let go of me. I'll take you too. Take you too, Clipper. Ow. Oh, seesaw. Look on this. Oh no, I heard rain. I felt rain. Uh-oh. Run. Thunderstorms. And on this. It's good season, yay! Ow! Of course you knocked me off. Hey, it's not my fault, I'm a bit heavier than you. This is getting scary now. Yo, this is beautiful. I love this. Now, it's scary. Cuckoo. Get out of here, let's go back home. Back, guys. Oh, finally, we passed out for ages. Hey, that's my fault. Fell. Oh. After rain. No. Oh, goodness. Go down, let's go to the table. Oh. Come on, guys, look at over there. You can't see anything. Here, guys, I'm going to show you now. No. Scary. No! No, I hate thunderstorms. Ow. Oh no. Come on, you okay? Come on, you okay? Boom, my toothbrush. Boom, my toothbrush. Ow. Ooh. It's coming over before I thought. It's already here. It's crazy. It's beautiful. Oh no. No! Oh, here it goes. I have to turn this wheelbarrow. You come with me. Let go of me! No! No! No, that's scary. Can we leave? This place is scary. Hide! Stay in here. Box! Get this box. No, creeper! Get the box. Let's get this box. You should be safe here. I'm scared. Get the box! Get the box! Scared. Scared. Scary. No! Oh my god. God, the wind. Crazy. No. She's scary. I'm scared. Oh. Scary. That's scary, bro. Fucking box. I'm scared. Shut up, you're not scared. You're always scared. You're baby this way. I've just been the worst spot, but why did I eat a box? Oh, this box has got a hole in it. No! This box supports us. I hate being in this box. Oh, I'm getting squished! Get it out of here. Guys, chill out. I want you to chill out when you see a thunderstorm going. And this box is deformed as well, so we can't actually. Uh-oh. I feel rain. Oh no. Guys, we need to get evacuate! No, we're fine. We're definitely fine, guys. Mate, we're literally not. Oh no. Water. No! It's getting wet. Uh-oh. Get in the car! Let's get in the car. No, stay in the box. Fine. Stay in the box for a couple more minutes. I hate staying in the box. Where's the sun out? What? Sun's out. You got to win. Ooh, rain. Oh no. Get in the box! Get me off! Oh no, Larry! No one's left out. Go save him. Get him. Larry. Over here. Got you. Get in the box. Guys, get out of this box, man. Bro, chill out, like you. Got you. What did you for? Why choose a 4-1? Let's get out of here. Or should we? There's a giant hole in the box. Stay out of the giant hole. No! Oh my goodness. This is amazing. It's kind of creepy at the same time. Uh-oh. Heavy rain. Oh no. Uh-oh. Could get in the box! This box is useless now, you can't hide any moves in it. Come on! No, let's abort the box. Let's run! No. Get in here. Under here. Huh. Everybody here? Yep, I'm here. Yep, I'm here too. Get off me, stupid dog. Ooh, it's gross. You gross. Will you spit on me? Nah, it's not a problem. Just insulted him, that's why he got angry. You're growing. Oh my goodness, look at that giant cloud. Oh yeah, we're in the thick of it now. Uh-oh. Lightning! Whoa! Oh my god, look at the clouds. Where's the sun out over there? Oh, I love that tree. Guys, Let's go out. Where's my ruler? The logs are getting wet now. No! That's so annoying. Ew. It's dark and miserable. No, go in there. Go back in there. Go back in there. Bro, it's being a baby. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oh, God. Scary, I hate it. What's up, boys? What are we playing? So, guys, today we have a bad thunderstorm and ice. Get the bag! Oh God, guys, it's wet. I'm fine. Oh my goodness. Guess we're not fine. Let's get back in here. Oh my God! Oh my God! No! Get in the bag! Dude! Oh my goodness! Look at this! This is just crazy at this point. Like, oh my goodness. Oh God. No! When the storms. Bro, sharp a bit, no! No, sharp a bit. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. That was loud. At least it's calmed down a little bit. Oh! Whoa! Oh no. Here goes thunder. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, don't worry. I'll come in here. Guys, I think... Oh, I just saw more lightning. Look at this. I'll come for you, I'll come for you. Maple trees get watered at least. God, this is insane. Man. Oh my God! Scary! It's scary! No! No! I'll go back in. I'm hiding. I'm scared. I'm scared. Nah! My mom did not raise any baby. So you know what? I'm gonna stay out here. Oh, man. Ooh. Scary thunderstorm. No. Oh God. So scary. What's going on over here? No. No. Shut up, y'all. No. Whoa! That's scary. That's scary. No, scary. Oh my God. Oh, it gets wet. Oh goodness. Oh my God, scary. No, I'm scared. I'm too scared. I'm too scared to go. No! Where's it going? Where's it going? Don't go back in there! I'm too scared! I'm scared! Man, shut up. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Right. I've got you. Bro, what is even going on? It's wet, rain, and I'm angry and I'm miserable. Man, when can it be warm again? Hate this. Oh, I'm not turning into a charge trooper today. I am not turning into a charge trooper. No. I am not turning into a charge trooper. This is so wet. Oh God, I am not turning into a charge trooper. I didn't like. This is scary. But chill out. Oh goodness me. This is scary. Okay, if we get them wet. Ugh. Ugh. This is so gross. Oh, whoa. Oh, stop my lighting then. This is not loud. Oh my God! Stop! Please! This is scary me. Oh my God! Scared! it's loud. Oh my god. Oh, that was actually scary. Man, I can't eat grass now, it's wet. Whoa. What's that? Ew. Okay, I am not going back out. Guys, it's scary. Nah, it ain't that scary. Yeah, that's scary. It's pretty creepy when it gets loud. Ugh. Like that. Ugh. Nasty weather. Like, bro. Oh my god, bro. This is soaking. Like, it was sunny before, now it's horrible like this. Man. The barbecue. Like, nobody likes. I've got a trampoline. Oh my god. Whoa! Man, guys, this is actually scary. This is so heavy rainfall as well, and I'm getting soaked. Whoa. Uncontrollable weather. My street's gonna flood. No! Whoa! Help! I'm getting drenched. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm scared! No! No! I got kicked out! No! Oh my god! I've been up for the strike. Please, please. Another mercy, please. No! I hate when this stops! Oh my god. Oh my god. No, I hate this. No, I'm hiding in the bush, hiding in the bush, hiding in the bush. No! Please say I can hide in here. Oh yeah, I'm fine. I'm safe. Oh god, guys. I'm safe. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god, look at it. It's soaking. Oh! Thank goodness. I want to go back in. I want to go back in, but I can't. Just let me in. Let me in. No. No. I hate this. Wait, calm down. Lord have mercy, it stops. how am I gonna sleep out here? Oh my god, look at this. The pavement is flooded. Oh. That is disgusting. I'm scared. I hate thunderstorms. What are you kicking me out for? Why did you kick me out? Oh, probably to annoy me, probably. Who's that talking? You're a shark puppet, go away. Go away, shark puppet. But you live outside.
We don't. I live outside.
Yeah, but you're a shark, you should be in underwater.
No, I'm a shark.
But you're a land shark.
Oh, that's alright. Everything like this.
But you go in the water right now. Stupid shark puppet. Always making fun of me. Go and Going too loud. I think it's calmed down now. I'm here a long time. Guys, I have to find a way to get back in. Yeah, it's fading away now. Bye, guys. Hopefully I can find a way to get back in. Actually, wait. No, not yet. Not by yet. Just gonna get here. I should live in this car for a couple of days. I don't think those guys want to come out after this because it's absolutely soaking. So I'm probably gonna sit here for a while. In here. Man, why did you kick me out for? Right, well, you know, guys. Bye, guys.